How to send anonymous emails for absolutely zero cost. Now, first things first, you have to open your browser window. Then you have to search anonymous mail sending in your search bar. After that, you can click the first link which appears after your search. Then you should probably see something like this. After that, you can change the name as well as the receiver email here. After that, you can also create a subject of the email because that is very important. Then you can also create a body and you can create different highlights of the body and styling. After that, you can click this green button saying send email to send the email. After you click it, you should probably see your email was sent successfully. And if we check our email, you can see that this email was received and we have no clue who sent it. That'll be about that. Until next time, see ya.